Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a beautiful English love story titled From an Incomplete Meeting to a Complete Life. This story is not only about love, but also about dreams, struggle, and patience. If you want to improve your English and enjoy a meaningful story, this video is for you. So, let's begin. Title: From an Incomplete Meeting to a Complete Life. Rahul was a simple boy. His dream was to give his family a better life. Every morning he woke up early to study, and in the evening he worked at a small job. His life was normal until he met Ananya. Ananya was a calm and intelligent girl. She was a college teacher and loved books. They met in a library. Rahul came there to make notes, and Ananya came to read books. At first, they only smiled at each other, but slowly they started talking. One day Ananya asked Rahul, "You come here every day. Are you preparing for an exam?" Rahul smiled and said, "Yes, I am preparing for my dreams." This is how their friendship began. They talked about studies, life, and dreams. Rahul liked Ananya's simplicity, and Ananya admired Rahul's hard work. With time, their friendship turned into love. But life is not always easy. Rahul was financially weak, and Ananya's family wanted her to marry a rich officer. When her family found out about their relationship, they clearly refused. Ananya cried a lot, but Rahul said, "If our love is true, we must wait." Rahul started working harder. He spent many sleepless nights and faced many failures, but he never gave up. Ananya supported him at every step. Finally, the day came when Rahul passed his exam and got a respectable job. When he went to Ananya's house with his marriage proposal, the situation had changed. His struggle and confidence won everyone's heart. This time, no one said no. They got married simply, but with full happiness. Rahul and Ananya's story teaches us that true love does not only ask for togetherness, it gives strength to become better.